Good morning everyone, good afternoon and good evening. It's Mako with a capital M, the magician. So sorry, no tricks for today. Today's recipe is Bicol Express, a spicy Filipino dish. So it is a stew made from chilies, onion, garlic, pork, coconut milk, and bagoong. So thanks for watching, guys. Okay, let's begin. So first, heat up this frying pan. We will use cooking oil for this recipe. So first we will saute the garlic, onion, and the ginger. So after a few seconds, we will add the onion. Then right after this, we will add the ginger. The pork belly. This we will wait until the pork become light brown or partially cooked. So when it's heat and the pork is already partially cooked, we can add the face rib, or what we call the bagoong. Okay, we already added the face rib or the bagoong. So we can add the chili peppers. So we will add the serrano peppers mixed with siling labuyo or dorsal chilies. So at this stage, we can already add the coconut milk. So let it simmer until the pork were cooked. So let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, after simmering it for a few minutes, a little stir, and one piece of advice, I advise you to taste it before adding any salt or peppers. So I think we're already done.